This is David Battoe,
I'm Jordan Bentley.
and we're going to be talking about our final project, which is a modified version of Lab 2, the Exploring Cave Dungeon. We worked on that together as well. Part of why we decided to take that and run with it is we essentially wanted to make it interactive, kind of almost like a video game, and that just seemed interesting to us.
Yeah, I'd never built one before, so this is my first venture into that arena.
Right. And I had built a game for building better apps, but nothing this complicated. And if you'll think back to Lab 2, oh so long ago, it was all about using stacks, and so what we've done is we've essentially implemented stacks, but even more. And I'll show you how the game works first. It brings up this turtle window. There's a little rock graphic in the background, so it's like you're in a cave. It shows you what your controls are, and then you tell it a map to use that is read in as a text file, just like before. And it draws it to the screen with a turtle. The brown is the walls, the blues are the treasure, and then you are the little guy right here. And essentially, when you do it shows you that you got your treasures, and so when you hit T, it prints all the way over here. It prints where that treasure you got was, which is held in a stack, so you'll be able to see. If I get that one, now there's a stack of 2. Additionally, you can hit the tilde key, and it gives you a stack that is every motion that you've done so far.
And the coordinates that are shown there when they would push the T button, that's the coordinates that correspond to where that's at on the map and the text map that we fed into the file.
Right. So, for example, my guy right now is approximately at like 1, 2, 3. He's at like 3, 3 right now, give or take. So this is probably at like 6, 7-ish, 4, 5. So I'm not good at counting. And some of what we've learned through doing this is honestly, it's a lot of the class-based programming, our object-oriented programming, and of course how stacks work, and honestly just kind of keeping track of all the details. This whole thing looked more complicated than it is, and honestly I think that's a lot of it.
Yeah.
So thank you, and this has been our little the little cave explorer game thing. Goodbye.